I am Brian Mullins. Everybody calls me Tuna. I race motorcycles. We wrench on motorcycles, and we're going to take this pile of crap, and we're going to race it, and we're going to do it on a budget that most people can manage. What we're doing is very possible, and we're going to show you. What happened last time is we took this bike apart and we released a trailer for this project that has gotten 5,000, 6,000 views in 24 hours or so. Gotten a lot of support out of it, a lot of haters. That's cool too. We love you. So this afternoon we received the forks and the shock from Jamie Daughtry at DMR Performance Suspension in Fort Wayne, Indiana. And he took our stock forks and our stock shock and revalved them, resprung them, freshened them up, and that's what we're gonna run. We're gonna run stock suspension.
Yeah, dual action. Yeah!
Hit it from both sides.
We received our body work, which is used body work from Zoran at TWF, gave us a killer deal on a set of 675 body work. And my buddy Brandon Weber, Coyote Race Cars, Weber Racing Supply from my car racing family, reached out and said that he wanted to paint the bike for us. So I dropped that off 2 nights ago at about midnight, and he's been slaving away at it since then. We're gonna have that back tomorrow. So right now we've got the bike all torn apart. The only thing that we have put on it is this subframe. Thank you, eBay. And otherwise, the bike's just torn down. Tonight, we're gonna put the shock on. Thank you, Jamie Daughtry. We're gonna put the forks on. Thank you, Jamie Daughtry. They are a little bit different color, but I think that makes them faster. Maybe put our Chinese muffler on. Big money, baby. And we're gonna put the wheels on, one of which I got from Zoran at TWF, one of which is a Chinese wheel from eBay. I hope it doesn't break apart. We're gonna put some race takeoffs on. We're hopefully put the clip-ons on. We're gonna put straight triple trees on, also sourced from eBay. Maybe we can put the rear sets on. When we are finished tonight, this will roll. It may not stop itself, but it's gonna roll. We recording this?
No, I had one of these.
This is recording. Okay, so do I introduce them?
Sure.
And Rob?
Sure.
All right, so we do that now?
Yeah.
All right, so Rob helped last time.
Last like 2 or 3 times?
Rob's a video audio guy, but Rob's helping with the bike. We got James is gonna help with the bike. We got Adam's gonna help with the bike. They're really fucking bored and they like working for free apparently.
Josh is helping with the camera.
Josh has got the camera. Don't fuck anything up! You can move whatever shape you want. As long as it fits and it has good penetration, I don't care. What did I do with this?
You're not videoing me playing with my balls?
Hey Josh, can you hand me that?
That's what you need? Let me get the insertion.
Oh, too far, too far.
He's hitting the sidewall.
Oh shit. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, it's very nice.
It's a little shaky, but this has got really good stabilization.
Oh, are you shaking? I thought you meant
No, I'm shaking.
Oh, I thought you meant the
He's
mic.
shaking with excitement.
I also had a couple beers.
It fits.
Look, hey, you want to get this? You want to see me get super frustrated?
Now zoom to Tuna's face. This is stupid.
You see right here? This is a bad idea. Do it right now.
It's not going in.
That's what she said.
1 hour later.
That's fine.
Damn it, Bobby.
It was an explosion.
A box of water.
Hey Tuna, what do you think of this project so far?
It's nuts.
No, it's perfect.
Oh, yeah, that's fire. It's fire.
You're not gonna run it right now, so you should.
6 o'clock.
Yeah.
2, 1, go.
What?
What?
We did find
Perfect. Right there.
right here.
Yeah.
Okay, you want me to slap it or something?
Yeah, slide.
It's a roller. A few hours later, and we found that we need rear pads, which was a given. We need a front brake lever. We knew that. We need front rotors. I was hoping they were good. They're junk. Super duper junk. We need front sprockets. The bike's 525 chain. The rear sprocket we got's 520, which we're gonna need multiple to race anyway. But we can't even hang a chain on it right now because 525 front sprocket, 520 rear. And that's what we added to the list tonight. So it does roll. We can move it. Tomorrow, we'll get body work on it. We'll have it in some capacity for the bike show. We did clean out the dirt, thanks to James and Adam and Josh and Rob for all the help tonight. It will roll, and tomorrow it will be dressed for the bike show.
So my name's Brandon Weber. We build dirt race cars, mainly. I've been in the racing world my entire life. I met Brian, oddly enough, through the dirt late model world. He got a late model. We did body work for him. We've done a few things for his daughter on her car. And I saw this build and I was like, I want to be part of it. So I sent him a message and I said, hey Brian, what do I got to do to be on the build? And the response was, it's a budget deal. I said, I got you. I got leftover paint. Let's just make it work. So he brought me the stuff the same day he got it. I used a bunch of different colors that I had kind of mixed them together and made a unique race bike. But started Wednesday night, the parts were dropped off. Thursday I cleaned them. Friday I started sanding and doing body work. And then this morning, Saturday, this morning, I started final prime, clean up all the tank was actually smashed in, like a huge old dent. I'm sure there'll be pictures of it, but I got it all straightened out. Everything's nice and clean. But then I laid down a white base with some poison ivy pearl and some silver flake mixed together, and we're here. We just put it together. We're a little late. I planned on having it done before the show, which will start at noon. It was about 6 o'clock I got here. We immediately put it together, but realistically it was just more for fun. I do some paint and race car stuff, housework. I'll do anything, it doesn't matter, but realistically this is more fun to me. Just reach me on Facebook, Brandon Weber, or Weber Racing Supply, or Coyote Race Cars, or you can send me a private message on my cell phone, a text. It's 513-505-0525. It's kind of a weird number, but it's dialed down the center. And yeah, I mean, if you guys need anything, just reach out, but realistically, I just do it for fun.
All right, we're at Garage Brewed, Cincinnati, Ohio. We got people, these guys are from Chicago to come to Garage Brewed. And they're defacing the bike. And Brandon painted it. It's absolutely beautiful. And people are signing the bike. We're having a good time talking about the project and getting some momentum. Maybe we can buy some more parts when we leave here. We do have pizza for Tuna, no tacos. And everybody's having fun. This has been a blast. And hopefully we can keep it pretty for a little while. Finish buying all the parts we gotta buy. We gotta have it on the track in 2 weeks. We installed this bodywork here. It wasn't ready, but now it's on. Having a good time.